Oh, yes, we are.
Pretty cool, man.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, you watch the videos?
Yeah, I wrote to them for time to time.
Oh, okay, cool.
Pretty cool.
Awesome. Thanks for stopping.
Right. Thank you, man.
Take care. You're very handsome, too.
Oh, there you go. Now they good.
They're like, ah, screw these guys. Back to our game. Yeah, they don't care.
We got good,
It looks like they got some bottles of vodka there, and well, it looks like we got Papa Bear coming. Alright.
Ask you, what are we filming?
What is it?
What are we filming?
You think it was him? The one we were talking about? Oh, yeah. How you doing? Good morning.
Morning. Can you stop filming?
Huh?
What are you filming?
Oh, well, hey, back up. Come on.
Do you have your ID with you? Your being very hall file?
Huh?
Your being very hall file? Can you see your ID very quick?
I need your ID first, too.
Yeah. No. I asked for the ID here, not you.
Well, I just because I don't know what's going on.
Who are you?
I work here.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you got me confused right there. I don't get you. What's going on? You gonna call your boss? You got your boss here?
Well, he got within 6 feet and no mask, so...
He wanted you, bro.
I'm not really into the daddy bear types, though.
No. Oh my god. You fool.
Just to let you know,
What?
I've got Guadalupe PD online, and you guys are filming my property over here.
And what crime is that?
I'm just asking what you guys needed. No, just as private property. I was
Where's
wondering, do you
private
need
property at?
something on my property across the street.
Dumb, dude. You know how stupid you sound?
I don't know. I'm just asking. I'm simply asking if I can help you guys out. What you guys are doing.
We didn't need it. Oh.
So why am I being filmed right now? What am I doing?
Well, because you're rolling up acting stupid, that's
I
why.
mean, I just asked you a question. You're on my property. You're filming.
We weren't on your property, but that's a lie right there.
Apparently, that's what I heard. I'm just asking. Why are you guys so defensive? Am I asking
Well, you roll up on us, you tell us you got the police on the line.
I said I just asked you
You're
a
actually
simple question.
blocking us now.
No, I'm not.
There you are. We're
I'm
trying to
asking
leave.
you a
You
simple
blocked us.
question. Okay. I'll
They
let you
move.
go.
We're trying to leave.
All right. Sorry about
Okay.
that. You guys have a great day.
You too. Oh, you're trying to scare us. Touch me, you up.
I'm afraid
Touch me,
No,
touch me,
I
touch
would
me.
never do that.
Touch me. I'm gonna defend myself.
Okay. No, I'm afraid of you guys.
Oh, trust me. You see me, you are.
I am.
Yeah. So I thought you weren't afraid.
No, I am afraid.
Look. Look at that. Look at that.
Hey, Steve. Look at pictures on my license. You're tough guys, man.
Yeah, you're the toughie here. Who's the toughie here? Who's living here? Hey, crooked nose. Crooked nose. Come here. Hey, I'm talking to you.
That's why you're driving away.
Crooked nose. That's why you're driving away. Look.
Here they are.
So they actually did call that PD. Let's walk away. Just haven't followed us?
Oh, look at here. Oh, he's back too.
Let's just walk straight right past them. You want to do that?
Sure.
When he comes, we just walk past. Right.
Morning, gentlemen.
Silent treatment. You look like a tyrant, bro. That's mine.
How's it going?
That's mine. Look, there's the little.
You guys
Look, there's the little. They ain't gonna do.
just relax, people. Talk to me.
Hey, little.
This is.
Little. Come here. Why you running like?
So what happened? What's going on?
Ask them what happened. Don't ask me. What am I doing wrong here?
Nothing.
Then he's crying like.
All right, relax. Talk to me.
You're crying like a little. See, I'm free to do this. It's freedom of speech, bro. Are you American by any chance? You're not acting like one. Except now you're exercising your First Amendment, but. So he's allowed to stand on the roadway, so I'm allowed to stand on the roadway, right? Okay.
So, my supervisors called me and said there's some guys filming. And so
And tell him what you did.
I drove up.
You stopped us from leaving.
Okay, well let him
No, I'm
let
sorry.
him
You did.
speak first, okay?
You
One at
did.
a time.
Come talk to me and then
You
we'll
did.
talk to him.
No, I'm
You
not
guys
gonna
can keep.
talk to
You guys can keep trading.
I know I did. Sure.
You guys have everybody.
Come on, Limon.
I know how it works.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Just talk to me, please.
No, that's cool. Yeah, I'm driving a Toyota Camry. It's parked down there to the left. It's white, 4 doors. You think I give a me?
And so I said, no, I go, can I help you guys? No. And they start calling me names. It's like, all right.
That's a lie. That's a
I got it
lie.
on film. I got everything on film. Look, right here too.
Weird, so I don't know what's going on. So I Could you come talk to me while he films?
Huh?
Could you keep filming? Can you talk to me while he films?
No, I'd rather stay here and document it.
Just right here.
Huh?
Just right here.
Which is.
That way you can still catch both of us.
Nah, that's cool.
No, I did not have no idea what's going on.
Alright, so
Well, they verbally assaulted. They
Verbally assaulted. Come
What did I
on.
told you? You touch me, I will defend myself.
I was sitting in my truck.
I thought so because the way you came.
So
I thought you were gonna pin me to his car.
so what's your side of the story? So you're just reporting for no apparent reason?
If exercising my First Amendment is not a
No,
very reason.
that's fine. I'm not arguing that. I'm just trying to figure out like
Exactly.
what's
There is a
going
reason
on.
why.
And that's why I want to know. Like
It's the First
I'm trying
Amendment. That's the reason.
to.
We're going forward already. That's
and,
it.
and that's fine. That's okay. I'm just
I
trying
mean, I
to
get
figure
your
out-
point,
just
but
don't-
this guy
okay,
here.
can you let me
No,
talk?
no,
Is
wait.
that
I'm
okay?
talking here. I'm talking here. Hey, I
Okay,
haven't
so I
finished.
can't talk?
Well, you
okay,
can
so
talk, but I'm gonna talk over you.
Basically what I'm saying
He's
is like
being a
all
crybaby
I'm
for
trying
no
to,
reason.
I'm trying to get at is what's going on. Like, do you guys
Nah.
know each other or anything like that?
No, they were on private property. My phone.
Oh, that's a. Why do you keep saying that? Now
Press
you.
charges,
Now
man.
you're
We tried
lying.
this in court, dude. How many times you think I've done this? Man, man. You didn't see me, dude. Are you American? On the real, though, you're not acting.
Nah, you've been pretty decent. I appreciate it.
This goes on all the time. You guys can tape as long as you're in a public spot.
We were never. I mean, you know what time it is. I mean, you know what. I mean, so we never. You know.
Okay, that's fine.
He just started getting stupid with us, and so we were leaving.
I guess.
So yeah, that's what I was just trying to figure out.
Do you want to apologize, please, for trying to come to me for no apparent reason? God.
Do you mind stepping out of the road, please?
Nah, yeah.
Please. You can keep recording.
People these days, man, they don't know their rights.
So, okay, yeah, that's fine.
Hey, are you gonna apologize for almost getting me shot? You almost got me shot or something. Good thing they're. I don't know if they're good cops, but at least they didn't shoot me down, dude. Man. Go read the law, by the way, Grandpa.
Okay.
Oh my God.
She's pretty.
right, gentlemen. Do you guys have any questions for us?
No, sir, we're good. Hey, that guy pissed me off, and I know I shouldn't have acted with you like that, but...
No, you were pretty professional. We weren't trying to give you a hard time.
Apologize, he almost pinned me next to the car, man. I mean, that pissed me off, and then he comes and blame it on me.
Like I said, as long as you're in a public spot, you guys can record.
And we thank you for acknowledging that. We appreciate
And I
it.
was just trying to figure out what's going on.
Yeah.
I mean, did you know, maybe you
But
used to work for him? You
yeah.
know, I don't know.
No,
Yeah.
that didn't used to work.
Like I told you, we were leaving.
Yeah,
We were done, and we couldn't even
entering the
drive
car.
out because he blocked where our car was. He
Yeah,
came and
but
drove
see,
right in front of it, so we couldn't even.
understand their point. They get a little paranoid.
We told him.
I know, but they do. Anybody will. I understand that. Yeah, you guys can record. I get it. But you're gonna get some people that get paranoid.
Yeah.
We try to tell him this is
I know.
what we're
I know.
doing is still managed to do
I know.
what he did.
It's kind of like me going to your house and starting recording. You're gonna get a little paranoid. Why is the cop recording my house?
Well, yeah. I mean, you know, he
I
could
get
have
it.
he could have came out and
I know,
you know
I know.
and said,
I'm probably just supposed to
You have any
place
questions?
a public records request and whatever you're doing. And
Yeah, that's fine. Like I said, you guys can.
they call me the master of public records request for a reason, man.
Mm-hmm.
And trust me, there's a reason why.
I
Because I'm good at getting what I ask for.
hear you.
But you guys are good, so I won't do that to you guys. I'm serious.
you know, you guys have been pretty professional. We appreciate it. You know,
You guys-
we're not trying to make you look bad or anything. We're just he acted like an idiot, so.
I get it.
But it me off. He almost freaking pinned me on the car side to side because I did got off. And when I got off, he like just talked to us and then he took off and I told him like, wait.
I'm just making sure I keep my distance because my mask is in the car.
Yeah.
Oh
All right,
yeah, I'm
hey.
not worried about it,
Well,
but.
thank you for being cordial, man.
All right, you guys
Appreciate
be safe out there.
Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you.
Can I just make one comment? You look like Jennifer Lopez, the singer.
Your hair gets it. Your hair gets it.
My what gets
Your
it?
hair.
Your hair.
Yeah.
You look like Jennifer Taylor.
Yes, your pelo.
I know what to say.
Hey, limon has an
That's a
acento.
compliment.
I'll take it as
Pardon
a
me?
compliment.
Limon has an acento in it, right?
No, it's a compliment.
Thank you.
No. It's for the
Just like the Enya, right? You guys are good here. That's good. Well, thank you so much for being cordial again. So.
All right, well, you guys have a great day.
All right.
All right, thank you. Take care.
All right, you guys take care.
You as
I wish
well.
the Far Western was still here.
Over there.
It's on Guadalupe.
If you go up here to the stop, turn left, then you're going to run right into it.
I thought they closed it though, moved it.
It's closed, but it's still, the building's still there.
Oh, okay. No, I was thinking like to eat.
No, they closed a while back.
Yeah, I know they moved it over to Old Town Orchid, but it's not the same. No. Okay.
Not the same.
All right, thank you.
You guys have a good one.
You too.